Hello everyone, welcome to the weekly Forex Forecast video. So let's begin. Our first pair is Euro USD. So after expecting the 1.05340 psychological level, the Euro USD moving upwards to the 1.0700 psychological level right now because of the dollar index weakness. So if you look at the dollar index right now, so dollar index break below the 104.00 psychological level and moving downwards to the 103.00 psychological level right now. So there will be two scenario can be happen for the upcoming week. The first one is if the dollar index break below the 103.00 psychological level, it's moving downwards to the 102.500 psychological level, then we'll see some upward momentum will be happen for the Euro USD. So based on this, our first target should be the 1.07500 psychological level, and if the Euro USD break above this level, then our second target should be the 1.0800 psychological level. For the another scenario, if the if the dollar index bounce back towards the 105.00 psychological level, then we will see some downwards momentum will be happened for the Euro USD. So based on this, our first target should be the 1.05340 psychological level downwards. So our next pair is Aussie USD. So if you look at the Aussie USD right now, the Aussie USD trying to retest the 0.67200 psychological level. So if the dollar index gains some momentum upwards, then we'll see Aussie USD moving downwards to the 0.6600 psychological level. If the dollar index did not gain some strength and falling downwards to the 103.00 psychological level, then the Aussie USD break the 0.67200 psychological level, then our first target should be the 0.67500 psychological level, and the second target should be the 0.6800 psychological level upwards. So our next pair is USD Yen. So if you look at the USD Yen right now, the USD Yen break below the 132.500 psychological level and moving downwards to the 131.00 psychological level. So if the dollar index gains some momentum upwards, then we will see the USD Yen again moving upwards to the 135.200 psychological level, and if the dollar index fall downwards to the 103.00 psychological level, then we'll see USD Yen break below the 131.00 psychological level and moving downwards to the 130.00 psychological level, and our next target should be the 129.00 psychological level downwards. So our last pair is Pound USD. So if you look at the Pound USD right now, the Pound USD retesting the 1.2200 psychological level right now. So if the dollar index gains some momentum, we'll see the Pound USD fall below from this point to 1.200 psychological level, And if the pound USD break this level, then it's moving downwards to the 1.18500 psychological level downwards. If the dollar index did not gain some momentum upwards and it's fall below to the 103.00 psychological level, then the pound USD break above the 1.2200 psychological level. So based on this, our first target should be the 1.22500 psychological level, and the second target should be the 1.2400 psychological level upwards. So trade your plan carefully.